Say, is programming needed for software testing? Software testing can be done in two ways. One is manual testing. Second one is automated testing or test automation. See, observe this point. Software testing can be done in two ways. One is manual testing. Another way is automated testing or test automation. For manual testing, no programming knowledge is required. But for automated testing, programming knowledge is required. I will explain. Observe the manual testing process. What is the manual testing process? In brief, first step, understanding requirements. Next, derive test scenarios. Third one, test case documentation and test data collection. Fourth one, test execution. While test execution, defect reporting and tracking. This is cycle practice. See, these are the important tasks in manual testing process or manual test life cycle. Here no programming knowledge required. Okay. For automated testing, especially for functional test automation, programming knowledge is required. Say, we have different types of test automation. Important one, functional test automation. Next, performance test automation. See, 70 to 80% market share functional test automation, 20% remaining. Okay. Say functional test automation. For functional test automation, programming knowledge is mandatory, required. But for performance test automation, using load runner or JMeter, little bit programming knowledge is enough. But for functional test automation, using either UFT, formerly QTP, or Selenium, or Silk test, or RFT, programming knowledge is required. For example, if we are using UFT, formerly QTP, for functional test automation, then supported programming or scripting language is VBScript. Suppose if you use Selenium, Selenium supports 6 programming languages. You can use either Java or Perl or .NET or Python, Ruby or PHP. Okay. For conclusion, for functional test automation, programming knowledge is required. But for performance test automation using load runner or JMeter, little bit programming knowledge enough. And one more thing, for manual testing, no programming knowledge required. Programming knowledge only for automated testing, especially for functional test automation using either UFT or Selenium or Silk test or RFT, etc. Okay. Next, observe the automated test process. Earlier we discussed manual test process. This time automated test process. General steps. First step, select test cases for automation. Second one, generate basic tests. Third one, enhance tests using programming features. Fourth one, execute tests. Last one, defect reporting and tracking. This is cycle practice. Thank you.